Hey everybody, I'm Jessie, a registered dietitian from the Kitchen Invitation, showing you my Aldi finds this week. All right, so first up on the list are these cheese crisps. Now I like these a lot because they've got 10 grams of protein, they're crunchy, they're savory, and it's just a different way to get cheese in. So honestly, it's just one of my favorite crunchy snacks, so it's a must-have when I go to Aldi. Next up are these two sauces. One is called korma and one is called butter chicken. Now, when I took a poll on Instagram, it was pretty split as far as which one you would want to make first. I love using these, especially if I don't have time to make my own sauce, so I try to keep at least one flavorful sauce like this on hand. Then what I like to do is put it in the slow cooker. I add some kind of meat typically, or some lentils and beans, things like that. And I just let it simmer for a couple hours, have a meal ready to go. These are also a great way to try new flavors if you're afraid to invest in all of the ingredients to make the sauce yourself. All right, so I'm a big fan of kettle corn. It's probably up there on my top 5 favorite foods. I'll save that for another video. This popcorn is a little bit sweet, a little crunchy. Again, I'm in a crunchy phase with my favorite kinds of snacks. So this is a great whole grain option to give you a little bit of fiber and a lot of crunch. Next up, I've got my 2 favorite cooking oils, olive oil and avocado oil. A lot of people like to ask, what is the best kind of oil? And it really depends on the type of application you're using it for. Are you using it to stir fry something? Are you roasting something? What temperature is the food going to be cooked at? That really can dictate what type of oil you want to use. Most commonly, I'm using avocado oil in a lot of my cooking. I like it because it's got a kind of a soft, buttery mouthfeel to it, so I love the taste of it. It's very neutral, whereas olive oil can sometimes be a little bit stronger, but it's also got a high smoke point. So that means you can cook it at a higher temperature and you're not going to burn your food. So I love different grain mixes like this. 1, it changes up the color of what you're eating, which is just fun in general. 2, it gets you trying maybe a different type of grain than you would not try before. So I think mixes like this are a great way to still add in fiber and vitamins and minerals into your meal plan while also changing up the look of your meal. Lastly, I love and don't love this product. So this granola is delicious. I had it actually this morning I mixed it with Cheerios and that and almond milk and some hemp seeds, and it was just a delicious bowl of cereal. I'll be honest, here's what I do not like about this product. At the top of their packaging, it says ingredients that you can see and pronounce. I don't mind the fact that you can see ingredients. I think that's always kind of a fun thing, especially if you're teaching a kid about a certain food in particular or yourself. But just because you can't pronounce an ingredient does not make it bad. That's a big myth. So I just want to put that out there that if you can't pronounce an ingredient, you might just need to Google how to pronounce it and look up what it really means. Be careful what you're looking up on Google though. You need to find research that is science-backed in order to really verify what you're looking for. Last up on my Aldi finds today are these frozen chunks of pineapple and mango. I love stocking up on this type of frozen fruit when it's on sale in particular because it's great during the summer, honestly all year round. But I always add pineapple or mango to when I'm grilling, whether it's on the side, I grill it up or I put it on kebabs. I love it in smoothies. I love it just thawed and regular, eat it on its own. I love it on ice cream. I love it on yogurt, and then love adding it to different stir fries and random meals, random sheet pan meals, if you will. So it's a great one to keep on hand if you want to add some bright yellow to your plate, and also if you want to add some more vitamins that way. I hope you enjoyed these Aldi finds this week. Make sure to come back next Monday for more grocery store finds, maybe from Aldi, maybe from somewhere else. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.